My name is Anand Kulkarni, and I'm the co-founder of Learning Equation. We are basically into learning and development services for organizations. We are based in Mumbai and Delhi. What we believe is that learning is an equation and not an event. That's our motto and our mission statement. It's been 2 years continuously that we've been using StrideSparrow for a 360-degree assessment service. So back 2 years back, one of our clients, he said that we were previously with some other vendor, and the vendor was not giving in a good report of the 360 degree. When I asked for customization, he said, I cannot give you customization because this is how the whole system comes into place. So that's when I started researching in terms of what other platforms gives me customizing the 360 degree report or the 180 degree report. And that's when I came across StrideSparrow. So since then, I've been with StrideSparrow the last 2 years. So one was customization of the report, and second was a user-friendly UI. So these two were the main thing why I switched from my previous vendor to StrideSparrow. And even at the backend and administration part of it, it's pretty easy to use the platform. It's very intuitive. I don't have to think too much. All I have to do is, put in the competency statements. I'll click on put all the participants in the invite list, and just click with the one click of the button, all invites are gone. I don't have to do anything else. So it's pretty easy to use the platform. So for me, one is trust. I know that when I'm going with StrideSparrow, at the back-end part of it, no data would be raised. As I was talking to one of my friends, she had gone with one of the banks, and the back-end part, all data has been deleted. So for me from StrideSparrow, nothing has happened as of now. So that was the another reason why also I went on to StrideSparrow. Their support team is amazing. They quickly address all my queries and everything. So for me, one was, as I told you, report customization. I'm able to add and delete reports of the section which I want and which I don't want. That was like a very big thing for me. So there are certain clients who want some additions to the 360 degree, and certain people don't want the radar chart. So I can always remove the radar chart. So that gives me a lot of flexibility in terms of offering these services to the client. So last year, one of my clients, we had deployed the 360 degree survey and everything. What is happening? The participants were not able to receive the email, the invite email, and I've given your Vipin's number to them to make sure, because my experience has been amazing. I have faced no problem in terms of administering the 360 degree. I trust StrideSparrow to smoothly administer my 360 degree surveys to my clients.